Yo, what's poppin'? Welcome to Bhroman Rhapsody. It's been a while, right? I guess you guys were thinking another one bites the dust. Well, y'all wouldn't have been too far off. I mean, I almost did. I tore my ACL last year, had surgery, rehab, all that fun stuff, and for a while I was pretty sure I was done. I was done with riding and all that, and everything that comes along with it. But I decided not to take things lying down, no pun intended, and I did not want this year to be, for me to remember this year as one of rehab and therapy and all that stuff. So I wanted to take it back, and I decided to listen to that little voice in my head that said someplace was calling my name. So I wanted to go out, see if I still feel things, if I still feel the joy. So that brought me here. Petra. So, from December to August, I felt a shell of myself. I felt lost, I felt defeated, I felt beat down, and I was sure that I'm not gonna be riding again or be doing the stuff that I love doing. Riding to me is more than just, riding. It's therapy, it's calming, it's where I do a lot of thinking, and I couldn't do that. I tried some other things, other interests, maybe chasing down some other things that I wanted to do or try out, other stuff that I thought would be the same thing to do, but none of it quite brought me the joy. And I felt a strange pull in my heart, or in my soul of sorts. I know it sounds weird, but yeah, it is what it is. And it was like, what about Romania? And I'm like, what? Romania? Yeah, it felt super random at first, but that's how the universe talks, disguised as random thoughts. And I followed the nudge, and dang, everything changed. Romania, man, this place is something else. Old roads, old stories, ancient magic woven into the land. And somewhere between the twisties of the Transalpina and the technicalities and the almost zero visibility stretch on the Transfagarasan, something clicked. The fog just wasn't on the mountain, it was inside me. And as I rode through it, slow but steady, scared but somehow just moving forward, and with it, I remembered who I was. At heart, I'm an adventurer, a thrill seeker. I love being on two wheels and just exploring places, new faces, and just being a menace on two wheels. Someone that refuses to quit and just wants to keep on riding. That's me. That's always been me. I thought the story ended in rehab. Turns out it was just a plot twist. Y'all remember Phoenix, my 2012 Ducati Multistrada 1200S that I took to Alaska from Prudhoe Bay to Key West with the bend trim and all of that? Yeah, well, she's gone. She's gone. She's no longer with us, with me. I traded her in for, this is Athena. She's a 2024 Ducati Multistrada V4S. Phoenix, well, she rose from the ashes. Athena, she turns you to ashes. Yeah, let's go. It's been a long, long and challenging road back from of recovery, and it's supposed to be, I guess. So from hobbling around on crutches, barely being able to walk in January to back having a throttle in my hand in October. It's been one fun ride. Yeah, with White Heat gone, Phoenix gone, it's time to make some new memories, chase some new horizons, explore new places, meet new faces, just go out and have fun. That the spark that I was feeling was gone. Well, it wasn't really gone. It was like little embers, and now it is back. The road is calling my name. The wind is whispering sweet nothings in my ear. Yeah, and that's what Romania taught me, and that's what I learned from Romania. Is I'm ready to ride, ready to thrive, ready to
feel things and vibe and not just survive. So yeah, let's go. Well, I think Broman was just taking a little bit of a nap. I is back, and do you know what time it is? Do you know what time it is? It's round the clock, baby!